Khushpreet. Welcome to AIS Talk Show.
We are back again with a very important topic to discuss, and our guests are
Miss Sanjeevan and Miss Khushpreet Kaur have joined us. Let's welcome them.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much dear Gurman and Jasmine. We are so elated to be part of this talk show again.
Yeah, sure. It was really a great time spent here lately and had much pleasure.
We are glad to know that you had good time with us and we welcome you again wholeheartedly.
Thank you again.
Even if I talk honestly, I am really exhilarated to know that this time you have invited us to talk about something very crucial and salient, as these things have to be discussed. As we all know, teenagers are facing much problems related to emotional balances or understanding the situations and many of the worries in their life. So we are glad that we have got the chance to talk about that openly here.
Yes, exactly. So, friends, as our guests have joined us, let me tell you that they are going to share their valuable experiences and views of passing through this teenage phase. So, stay tuned till the end.
So Khushpreet, since we all have passed our fundamental stages of life, our childhood, and now we are going to through a golden age of learning and adapting our teenage, what do you think in which period you felt the best?
See, according to my point of views, both of these phases has given us the best at their own part. If I talk about my childhood, which was absolutely great, of course. Being a child, we have no worries, emotions, or understandings or difference between good or bad, as we have got now when we are grown up. Being a teenager, we get some of the understandings, worries of our future, or our dreams, or expectations of our families. So this is the main or basic difference, but I would say that both of these phases are just spectacular at its own part.
Yes, exactly. Childhood and teenage are just amazing at their own parts.
So, Sanjeevan, would you like to add something in this?
Likewise, Khushpreet said, both of these phases are just glorious. It's totally based on our own experience and the environment we live in. A child adapts the environment, nature of his or her parents, and the whole experience reflect his or her behavior when he or she grew up. So, on my point of view, it's totally based on our experience and the environment we live in.
Yes, absolutely. You said it well that it's all about our experiences of life that best describes our lifestyle. As we are discussing about the life of being a teenager in all times, what changes you feel that this phase of life has brought in you and among all the teenagers?
See, as a grown up, there are like numerous things that changed and many more that might be changed in future. Every individual has this different story of change. But what I personally observe is like changing behavior, like the sense of talking, handling things, expressing their thoughts. The kind of nature every human adapt is different in every teenager.
I would like to add that if you are adapting something good, then you're gonna be a good human. This is a phase where you are being permanent for your whole life. So your ways, intentions, and tone must be gentle, humble, and respectful. As we have learned, be good for no reason. So I would say that do it for yourself and clean your mind.
Absolutely, Khushpreet.
Well, what an amazing thing you have said, Khushpreet. Yes, undoubtedly true. This is our golden age and we have to adapt good as much as we can. Okay, Khushpreet, as you mentioned, one must be good in his ways, intentions. That is surely correct. Nonetheless, the parents always show their best support towards their child, but some of the teenagers are unable to behave or the intent well. Moreover, in some cases, they remain an introvert. What do you think that what kind of care or support these teenager generation expect from their parents?
A good question though. See, teenagers possess very flimsy or delicate heart. They sometimes do not know the situations or about their emotions. Well, parents are the forever supporting pillars and they had been supporting us since our childhood. or our birth. But they do their best for us. But sometimes they do not actually understand what the situation is. At that time, we all need is their concern and their emotional support for us. For example, if one day you are happy and another day you are in any confusion or dilemma, there is something that triggers your stress or bothers you, then all you need is their concern. So I think that parents need to give a check on their children.
Yes, I got Khushprit. Actually, the situations sometimes make us more sensitive. Sanjeevan, do you want to say something?
Though it may seem strange, but we teenagers always crave for love, understanding, and a friendly environment that make us more thoughtful about the situation. The uncertainty of our thoughts can also lead trouble and confusion among us. But parents are always there to help us in every situation. All they wanted to make a special bond between us.
Yes, absolutely, Sanjeevan. We faced a lot of mixed emotions.
Yes, that's the major problem of us.
Yes, exactly. A point of life where we are grown ups but unaware about everything. The middle stage is what we call teenage.
Yes.
So, as we talked about mixed emotions, intention, friendly, understanding, what do you say about the state of mind? What kind of emotions do the teenagers face and how they came to the decision?
I think as it set a golden period, teenagers faced a lots of problem altogether. Let's say studies, family expectations, peer pressure, and the major concern. They started feeling this as burden, and teenagers they started thinking that they are the only one with this burden. And the major concern from where the story of this mixed emotion begins is from peer group pressure and adjustment. So teenagers always remain concerned about their friends, and of course everyone should be, but sometimes a very little stuff hurt and distract their mind.
Yes, teenagers are really fragile and feeble in emotional balancing, and definitely it may affect their decision making. Sometimes they become obstinate and show disappointment or argument against the decision made by their elders. So these all things come from their own thoughts filled with countless emotions, and this may cause trouble.
Yes, like overprotectiveness and aggression hold their hands and spoil their impression. All I would like to say, they need to understand what their parents and family members are guiding them, because they too have passed through the phase where the teenager have passed.
You are right, Sanjeevan. We need to understand what our elders say to us. It is actually a big deal. Oh, Jasmine, you're forgetting something?
What, Gurman?
Are you really serious? Don't you remember?
Hey, don't frighten us.
No, don't be scared. Gurman, I remember.
I'm also scared now. What are you going to do, guys?
So guess it's time for some fun now. So this is the word pass guessing game.
Oh!
That's great.
So rules are, one of you would wear these headphones and enjoy the music. Other would be given a word that you have to guess while listening the music. No voice clues would be given.
Okay. Okay. Kacha papad, pakka papad. Kacha papad, pakka papad. Kacha papad. Kacha plain. Kacha papad. Kacha papad.
Okay, I will try.
Kacha
papad, pakka papad.
Kacha papad.
Kacha papad. Kacha
Papad.
pakka papad. Yes.
It's Khushprit's turn. Sanjeevan. So the word is Khushprit Kaur.
Khushprit Kaur. Khushprit Kaur. Khushprit. Your name. Your
fun.
Yes, it was very fun.
We also enjoyed a lot.
So, as we had some fun between our talk, what would you prefer to do in your free time?
This is my favorite question.
Oh, why so?
It's because I'm BTS army. So whenever I got some me
Of
time,
course, you will spare it for BTS as soon as you finish your work, BTS Army.
so I prefer to listen from this band. This gives me immense of relief and helps me to forget all my worries. But I also spend time with my family, my siblings, and we have really a good time. But for my free time, it's music hours only.
Of course, music is therapy, isn't it?
Yes.
As we are the teenagers of 21st century and we are really addicted to our gadgets, even me, so I also usually listen music, play games, watch reels, web series or other vlogs, and other day I usually learn from some learning channels. This is common among all of us, but my family is also my priority.
Yes, of course, they wait for us after their whole hectic day.
Yes, so family art's never gonna be a miss.
Wow, what a thoughtful answer.
Yes, of course it is.
According to you, what are the major concerns of a teenage? What bothers the most?
Basically, the major concerns are like what others think about us, body image, our appearance, how to fulfill the parents' expectations, and over possessiveness or overprotectiveness.
These all are very common among all teenagers. So, out of all these concerns, apart from emotional imbalances, what kind of fear and insecurities do teenagers have in their heart and mind?
Well, this is a situational answer. A child's teenage years can be a time of huge change. A teenager may experience various feelings of insecurities or worries as they navigate their world to be developing young adults. An unsecure teen can find themselves filled with self doubts or may experience the feelings of insecurities.
Yes, this can sometimes produce unpleasant and unwanted results like anxiety, depression, negative thoughts, low self-esteem, low self-confidence, body image issues like etc.
Yes, rightly said. Such emotions are very disturbing yet mind blasting.
But the main thing is, where does the feeling of insecurities and worries in teenage come from?
Actually, the feeling of insecurity and anxiety often develops in teenager, especially peers, when they compare themselves to others. But it's not always true.
Yes, I agree with Sanjeevan. As expectations may sometimes lead to huge failures.
Yes, I agree. Do teenagers expect any support from teachers as like their parents when felt any trouble?
Sanjeevan?
Yes, why not? We actually spend a lot of our in our school with our friends and teachers. Teachers are also the most important part of our life. Parents give us birth, and teachers give us path to make our birth worthy. But what we expect is mutual understanding. Teachers should give us comfort because in our schooling hours we can only rely on teachers, so we expect support from them.
Yes, I agree. Well said.
Yes.
Yes, teachers are our major creators who make us the best human. They always tried their best to protect us from major distractions and troubles.
Khushpreet, what would you like to say distractions? What distractions do this teenage face?
Well, these teenagers and their distractions always come together.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, so we got to know about the emotions, experiences of teenagers. Our guests have told much about this phase and given very good lessons as well. Let us ask what they have felt and what would they like to say to all the teenagers.
It was really a great meeting with you, friends. We have discussed much about our teenage life. So it was really a great experience. As I have mentioned earlier, I was really exhilarated about it and I have enjoyed it a lot. And I would like to say that you must obey your parents and teachers as they will always guide you to the right path.
Yes, this phase is really important and precious to us. So you guys always obey to your elders, listen to them and just focus on your self-esteem and self-confidence and
happy, I would say must watch the video as it would give the answers. Thank you so much, dear Khushpreet and Sanjeevan, being with us throughout the whole talk show.
We will come back with another concern, so till then stay tuned. Hey, you forgetting something again?
Oh, please like,
Share.
Comment, subscribe.